Hey guys, so we're going to be staying in Cozumel, Mexico for a month, and we just wanted to kind of share with you our Airbnb and show you what
$702 will get you for a month here in Cozumel.
Let's go check it out. All right, so we're gonna start and give you a little bit of tour of the grounds around our Airbnb. It does have parking for the residents that are staying here. So that's kind of nice if you're gonna rent a car or something, or a bike, you know, that you'll have a place to park here. It does have like a little park, a bench area as well, which is kind of nice to come out and sit in. There is actually a gym right next to our Airbnb. Looks like it's
almost like a CrossFit type.
Yeah. So here's the bench area, park area. Yeah, so nice to come out in the evenings or in the morning for your little cup of coffee.
So it's not a very far walk from where you can park to our Airbnb. So we're gonna walk you there now. We'll give you a little tour on the inside. So we've actually been here about a week now, and so directly across from us is a very kind gentleman that we speak to every day. He has a little restaurant running outside of his house, so we were able to get a burrito and some french fries from him the other day, which is really good. He does some other things like motorcycle rentals, buggy rentals, and stuff like that as well, so it's been really nice there. And then right above us is actually our Airbnb host, so if we need anything, we reach out to her. She literally just drops it right over top of the steps, so that's nice. So come on in. So we have the outdoor gate, and then we have this little courtyard area that has some nice plants and bushes, which kind of makes it feel a little homey. We have a nice little area with a couple of chairs. It's a great spot, especially to be in the shade, to be able to drink your coffee in the morning or later in the afternoon, to be able to come out and have somewhere to sit. So come on in, but first I'm gonna apologize for the mess because we have been here a week and we are living, not just vacationing. So, you know, things might be a little bit of a mess, but come on in. So right when we first come in the door, it brings you straight into our kitchen. And I would call our setup more like a studio. The bedroom is separated a little bit, but there's no doors on anything. So I would call this more of a studio type setup. So in the kitchen, we have pretty much everything we would need except for an oven. So we've got our refrigerator, our microwave. They provided us with cups and plates and silverware. We do have a stovetop burner, which we've been able to make some pasta and stuff on, which has been nice to be able to stay in and save a little bit of money. We have this little counter area that serves as a dual purpose. You can see this is Jason's computer room so that he's able to edit videos, but it's also the place where we have our breakfast and lunch and sometimes dinner. So it serves as a dual purpose with lots of stools. So we've got stools on this side and we have stools on the other side, which is really nice. One nice thing is most of the rooms have ceiling fans and stuff, so that helps keep it cool because it does stay a little warm. We're gonna come straight into our bedroom. Like I said, no doors, but we do have this cute little archway, which is really nice. The bed's a queen size bed. It's okay. It's a little firm, but it's not been really bad. The pillows are actually really nice. So, but again, we have everything that we need. We don't need a lot because it's pretty hot, so you don't need a lot of big blankets or anything. To make it very easy, right next to us is our little bathroom. You have everything you need. You have a toilet, you have a shower. Our Airbnb host provided us with some starter shampoo and soap to kind of get us going, which was really nice. So again, everything that we need to start with. Still in our same room, we have a really short mirror, so it makes it easy to get your hair done in the morning as long as you can squat. Our little sink area where we're able to put all of our toiletries, wash our hands, brush our teeth, all of that good stuff. And then still kind of completing the circle, we come into our little living room where we do have a TV that works with like Netflix and YouTube, which is really nice. We have our other bar stools on the other side of our dual countertop, a couple areas to sit. We turned one of our stools into a little end table, so we've got somewhere to put drinks. And yeah, that's really about it. It's everything we need. I'm trying to stay on a budget, so for $700 a month, this includes the electricity, your water. Some Airbnbs have, I wouldn't say hidden fees, but additional fees if you don't read the fine print that if you're there a month, you have to pay an electric bill. This one did not, so it's completely all-inclusive. So you pay $702. We've got 4 weeks here, and that's all that we have to pay. All right, guys, as you can see, it's kind of a small space, so it's not a ton to show you, but if you like to see more of this type content and kind of see what our Airbnbs look like along the way, our hotel rooms, please leave us a comment and we'll be sure to do more videos like this. Also, if you're interested in staying at this Airbnb, drop us a comment, reach out to me. I will respond with the Airbnb link. The host has been absolutely amazing. She even picked us up from the airport at no charge. She's given us extra towels. She's been really great. So if you're interested, just let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.